One of the receivers that we have in district is called a Roger X. This receiver is a little bit more complex looking, but it is actually the simplest to use. These come with students who have hearing aids. And what happens, I can't show you the whole process here, but what happens with the Roger X is that we're going to take, using this little tiny tool, we're going to take the battery compartment of your student's hearing aid off. And we're going to replace it with something called an audio shoe. This is an audio shoe, and it is a replacement for the battery door and also has a place to add a receiver onto it so that the receiver becomes part of the hearing aid. This door replacement doesn't happen every day. We will take the battery compartment off and put the audio shoe on in September when they start, and we will leave it on and they can just come and go from school with this on all year, and then we'll replace it before they leave in June. So let me tell you a little bit about this. This audio shoe has a place to hold a battery, and on the audio shoe it has a picture and a number. The picture shows the orientation of the battery, so how it fits in there, and the number describes which kind of battery goes with it. The student will be bringing the batteries, but I'll have some replacement ones in their kit just in case they run out during school. So once we use this tool to replace their battery door with this audio shoe, then you add the receiver. This is the receiver, and this is what is called a Roger X. As you can see, it has 3 prongs. The 3 prongs have different lengths and different diameters, meaning that it will only fit onto this audio shoe in one way. In other words, you can't mess it up. There are 3 holes in the bottom of this that correspond to the holes in the diameter of these. So once this is replaced with the battery door, then you plug this into the bottom, and voila, you have a receiver on the end of their hearing aids. Then you talk into the transmitter, and the signal is picked up by this Roger X, which is powered by this battery, which then sends the sound into the hearing aid, through the tube, into the ear mold, and directly into their ear.